Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add images to Bolt.new. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up our project. So I've got this simple baby app project running, so I'm going to click onto that. Now inside on the left hand side, we've got a little chat box at the bottom left hand corner. So say for example you want to add an image or a logo or a banner for your app or what, just for whatever, we want to go ahead and click on the plus icon and then choose attach file. So this is basically going to open up our files and then we can choose an image or a file. So click on attach file. Say from here I want to go ahead and add my logo, so I want to go ahead and double click that. Now I want to attach this, then I'm going to write a little prompt here and I'm going to say, can you make this image as my logo for my application, for my simple baby app application? And then they're going to go ahead and run that prompt, and that's going to be attached to my, once it's finished building my app, that's going to be my logo. This is purely for demonstration purposes.